Got another beautiful Alabama sunset going on here over top of our 2020 garden. Decided I would take a minute to let y'all know what we've planted and everything and how it's doing. We didn't really anticipate having a garden this year, but after the whole COVID stuff and the shortage of stuff that you can find in the store, we decided to go ahead. Main thing that we're doing is stuff that we can. So we've got a lot of tomatoes, a lot of beans, and of course my kids wanted a lot of melons, so we've got cantaloupes and a couple of heirloom variety of melons and watermelons. So I'm sure they'll be loving that here later this summer. Now I planted my rows about 6 foot apart, and I've done that for one reason. My tiller for my tractor is roughly 5 foot. And we have a cultivator that'll span 5 foot. So I've run the tiller through there once, and now I'm starting to use the cultivator and using the middle buster to bust up in between what the cultivator is not getting. And this year we have some Roma tomatoes. As you can see here, they're starting to make. There's a little bit of grass in there, but we'll do the best we can. We planted some lettuce, but it's kind of gotten overgrown. My grandmother always had leaf lettuce in her flower bed, so it's always a nostalgia thing for me to plant leaf lettuce. Then we have our Roma 2 beans, and as you can see, got 2 rows of those, and there are buds everywhere. We've already gotten 3 squash off of our squash plants, and got a late start on cucumbers, but they're coming up. We have some actual snow peas that have graced us with their presence, and more blooms going as we speak. We put in 3 hills of squash and only 2 produced because the seeds were old, but that's okay. Then we got a few cantaloupe growing here, and we done the same thing on our zucchini, and we've got 1 zucchini that has started to come on there. We had some onions that had started to sprout in the house, so we put those in the ground just to see what they would do. And then we've got a friend of mine brought me some star watermelons, so we planted those. He also brought me some sort of heirloom melon, and I'm not sure what it is, but I got that planted. And then we've got some rattlesnake watermelons that have been planted as well. These right here are our Parked Whoppers. We got 5 of those that are currently growing and starting to put on buds. Then we had 2 red beefsteak heirlooms. And then we have a bell pepper, a jalapeno pepper, a mammoth jalapeno pepper, and what's become one of my new favorites is the jalapeno. Great for making jalapeno poppers. You can see our watermelons are starting to climb out into the yard here, and we'll probably get one good pass here and get it down real low before we just let them come on out and take over the yard. So that's our 2020 garden for this year, and glad you took a moment to watch and get an update. And make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you like, and hope to see you again. Be safe.